Hi, I'm Mike Blackburn, an audiologist at Phonak. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to conduct a remote support session. Remote support is just like a regular target programming session, except it can be done virtually with a live video call. Think of it like turning your patient's smartphone into a no-link wireless hearing aid programmer. You don't have to learn anything new about programming in Target because it works the same as in person. And since August of 2021, Phonak has made the process way easier. Let's jump into the software and have a look. First, program your patient's hearing aids with Target 7.1.9 or later. Look for remote support enabled during the save. This happens for everyone. It's automatic. Second, pair the hearing aids to either the My Phonak or My Phonak Junior app for kids. I suggest that you make this part of every hearing aid fitting. Okay, Whitney, now that we have your new hearing aids fit, I'm going to have you take out your smartphone and download the My Phonak app. Great, so now I just need you to restart your hearing aids. Okay, and then you can select them in the app. Perfect. So now you're all set for remote support, and I'll see you next Thursday for your follow-up. Third, both you and your patient launch remote support at the time of the appointment. When ready, click Start Remote Support in the patient's Phonak Target session. Your patient will also simply navigate to remote support in her app and launch it at the time of the appointment. Once you're in the session, programming works the same as in person. You can connect to the hearing aids and make a wide range of adjustments, which all occur for your patient in real time. When done, click Save and Close in the session and wrap up your chat with the patient. It really is that easy. Remote support enables you to have efficient virtual follow-ups, make a wide range of adjustments to hearing aids, and is a benefit for your patients by offering them a convenient way to connect with you. Ready to get started and learn more? Scan the QR code or visit the website below.